Yeah, welcome back, people. So we have 12 minutes to go with this particular token. Before then, tell me, how many of you made money from the first one we actually, traded? How many of you made money from it? Let me know. Yeah, you made money from it. Let me know, guys. Let me know how much did you make. And I told you guys to close secure profit on your long trade. I hope you did. I hope you did. If you did secure profit from that long setup, fine. You would have, re-entered again because immediately it got listed on Bybit. The market eventually started moving up, right? So this is we were trading this stuff around here, and then eventually moved up. So once it got listed on Bybit, that's what gave this spike up there, right? You saw this spike up there and all of that. So that is for the futures market. For those of you who held the long trade and all of that, you are most welcome. You're most welcome. Welcome. Okay, so this one now, I've not seen that it's going to be listed on futures yet. I guess it's only spot for now, because the notification here didn't show that it will be listed on futures. So it's only spot, and we're going to just leverage on the spot market alone and then see what we can achieve from it, right? So you see that I traded this up to three times, and I was just making my $1, $2, $3, based on the what I entered the market with and all of that. So yeah, let me know if you joined us the first time. Let me know if you joined us the first time. How much did you make money? Did you make profit at all? Anybody here? Okay, or those who joined. Where is it Jesus baby? Where is she? I hope she was able to make money from her long setup. Okay, I hope she was able to make money from her long setup. If not, market would have taken her out. Okay, market would have taken her out. But yeah, this stuff actually went back to 29 cent before it started dropping again. And because I was out of the screen, I couldn't. My intention was to shut this market down, but I did not. Okay, so let us be contented with what we've made already. So we're looking for another opportunity right now. So we have 11 minutes to go while we wait for the countdown. All right, while we wait for this countdown to play out, if you have questions and all of that, you can go ahead and ask, right? So from the first video that I made about this stuff, I started this thing with $100, and I traded one particular token that gave me $6 before I actually published that video I did on YouTube. And I believe many of you might have taken advantage of it. And with the one we traded like an hour ago, we did it together here. Okay. And I turned that $106 to $119. It was more actually. Fishers ate some of the money, right? Fishers ate some of the money. So the capital I have right now is 119, and we are progressing. It means that we're progressing. So what we'll do right now is to see if this CSIGMA will give us, another money, if we get to give us another profit and all of that. And guys, you get the gist, right? Once it is listed, if you get a sniper entry, the whole idea is buy. I personally buy with market order, and once my order executes immediately, that is if it does execute immediately, I set a limit order to sell it with a certain percentage, maybe 10, 20, 40%, and I'm out. Right? That's what I do on the spot market. Then if it doesn't trigger immediately, I will wait to see maybe after a minute or two in the market. I will now start looking for if I'll be able to buy lower and then sell higher, right? Because once it is newly listed, the volatility is high. You can see a token that is now, this token will be down 10%, and then the next second it is up already by 20, 40%, right? So if you get a sniper entry by setting a limit order lower, you by buying lower rather, you set a limit order immediately to sell once the market sprang up. Now, because of internet connection issue, I will not be doing that on the desktop, right? I'll be doing that because the desktop always delays me. So you may not be seeing, but whatever I'm doing is just tell you that, oh, I'm buying here or I'm selling here. I'll just be doing that inside of my, I'll be doing that inside of using my phone, right? Using my phone. Okay. So that's what I'll be doing. So yeah, if you have questions, the countdown now is 7 minutes. If you have questions, go ahead. Let me know, guys. What are you thinking? What are you, have you funded your account, by the way? How many of you created an account and have funded it? I say create an account and fund it with at least $10. You can fund as high as whatever you have, but the minimum is $10. With $10, you can participate in this and make some more money for yourself. If we do this, somebody said we should do a challenge of growing $100. I said, okay, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. But I will not promise you that I'll be here trading every day with you live. Okay, because Maxi lays tokens like 2-3 times a day. Okay, but if we're able to cash one of those listing, we'll do it together. If we're able to cash one of those listing, we'll do it together. So yeah, I'm in a journey to grow $100 just trading newly listed token on Mexi. So if you want to join me, all you need to do is to sign up. The link is on the Telegram. The link will be in the video description on YouTube. All you need is sign up, get a welcome bonus, make a deposit of at least $10, and join us every now and then when we trade newly listed token. All right, when we trade newly listed token. So go create an account, get the welcome bonus, and then fund the account with $10, and you are free to join us in trading every now and then. And Mexi is giving us, I think $10 or $20 to all new users who sign up with the link that I've provided. All you just need, make a minimum deposit of $10 rather, and claim the reward. Make a minimum deposit of $10 and trade and claim the reward, which is why I'm doing this live with you guys. Okay, so we have 5 minutes to go. Yeah, we have 5 minutes to answer all of your questions. If you are here, you have questions, you have contributions to make, and let me know. How many of you have funded the account? Let me know. Let me hear from you guys. To go. Has it started? Okay, it's still going back and forth. Has it started trading? The token will be trading at 3 cents. Okay, so yeah. Okay, taking like forever to load. 0.03. It's taking like forever to load, guys. What's going on? Internet, wahala. Okay. Yeah, good afternoon. So, guys, my own market order is not executing. My own market order is not executing. So, God. Okay, so for this particular token, I guess, okay, saying network disconnected. Okay, Maxi said that network is disconnected and the rest. So, good. Yeah, if you have got these at 30 cents, you should even at 35 or 36 cents, you should be looking at taking profit. Okay, so my own stuff is not loading. Let me just refresh the page. Even on the app, is not loading. I don't know why. Okay, let me switch my internet connection and see. Yeah, there are more buyers than sellers here. There are more buyers than sellers. And another thing you need to pay attention to is the volume, okay, that is traded for this particular token. You can see is just 2.9 million. So there's no much volume in this, right? There's no much volume in this market. So you have to be very careful, which is my $100. I don't have issue with that. But if you come in here and put $10,000, $20,000 in this, then you will be the Father Christmas that many of us will be making a profit on top of your head. We'll be making a profit on top of your head. So we are almost close to that my level, to my entry. Let's see if that will trigger. Okay, let's see if that will trigger, guys. We are going closer. Turnover for this particular token is where is it? Okay, 28 million. Yeah, that one is 28 million. This one is just nice. The volume is beginning to increase. We now have 2 million. Okay, so you need to pay attention. Always pay attention to this volume. It could actually increase up to 20 or 100 million, but at that initial time, you don't need to rush in. Even if you have to buy, you don't need to rush in, which is why if I'm able to grow this $100 and it get to $500, okay, I'll just cut it into two. And I don't want to be trading this particular, except if I know the token that I want to be listed. That's when I can put in bigger money and the rest. Okay, so let's see if this will enter our limit. If it will take our limit order, then we'll just set a limit to sell at 25 or leaving 26 cents. Okay, sell at 25 or 26 cents. So keep an eye on it. We are 2-3. Okay, and our limit is 2276. 2276. So let's see if that will trigger. Okay, I think I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay, I'm almost there. If it triggers, I set a limit order to sell immediately. All right, now this is what I'm looking at. Let me do this full screen again. So if this triggers, right, from that my entry, if it triggers right here, okay, if this market moves up to around 2.4, that is 6% up already. Yeah, market is beginning to wake up. I guess the volume too has actually started increasing. Okay, 3.3 million. Okay, 3.3 million. Market is beginning to wake up. So I missed that. I would have bought even that 2.3 would have been a good trade, and this would have given us some money. Yeah, that 2.3 would have been a good trade, and this would have given us some money because half of this candle that I was looking at is actually at this equilibrium level, which is 50%, right? And that is what would have given us this money. So look at this candle alone. This candle alone is up by this one candle alone, this bullish engulfing candle you see here, okay, is up already by 10%. Yeah, see that candle went up by 10%. You see what I'm saying? So 10%, if you have put $100 in this, okay, look at it. All right, it would have made easy 10% in that market, and that would have profit you. But I missed the entry, so that no qualm. Okay, I missed the entry. We always look for new entries.